Hi, my name is Michalis Spyrou and I work in the Arm's product security team. Today I'm here to talk about Metis. Metis is our agentic AI security framework for finding security vulnerabilities in software. So yeah, we've seen that Metis and recent LLMs are very good at finding security issues, and essentially when you compare this tool to traditional SaaS tools, we saw an increase in performance, around 10 times better results, and a very big reduction in false positives. So around 50% of noise is now eliminated because the LLMs are very good at finding issues. And this has a huge impact in the engineering teams, because up until now the engineers were using those tools to find security issues, but due to the noise that those tools generate, they would often spend a lot of time trying to triage them, trying to figure out if they are real or if they are false positives. So once an engineer sees the output, they can immediately figure out if that's a valid issue, and they can have an understanding of the code. And also with the mitigation part, it helps engineers essentially fix the issue faster. So running Metis is very easy. Once you download it from GitHub, you can point it to your source code. And once Metis loads, you can start by indexing the code and the documentation. By running index, what Metis does is tries to create a database from your source code and from your documentation. And this is used in later stages to help reason about the security issues and also aid the model into finding security issues. Once the index command is done, you can start by reviewing the source code. You can either select to scan a very specific file using the review file command. You can use the review code that scans the entire code base, or if you just want to scan a patch, you can use the review patch. So once we run the review code in this example, we can see that there is a progress bar, and you can check the status of Metis. Currently we only have one file here to show the use. Once this is done, you will see all the output in the screen. The output will be stored in a file. It's up to you to decide if you want it to be a JSON file or a SARIF or an HTML one. And what we can see is that not only it flags an issue and it tells you that's the issue in this line number and in this file, but it will also reason and explain why the issue happens. And this is very helpful for the engineers because they don't have to guess about why this tool flags their code with an issue. There is also a mitigation as well. The mitigation is there to help engineers apply a fix and the confidence that shows how certain the model is around this security issue.